Hello, everyone, and welcome to UKPASS. Today, we're going to speak about a very important topic, which is our combo, our ClearPass combo. So, what is our ClearPass combo? So, if you want to be a very good doctor, if you want to get a solid knowledge, if you want to get a very precise information that really helps you ace your SCA in no time, just come join us, bring your coffee, and you'll be amazed. What we are offering today is a full, extensive, high-yield course that is really recommended and highly recommended by all of the doctors who attended with us and managed to pass with flying colors. We offer you full recordings. We offer you live sessions. This is not only it, but we offer you full notes, very colorful notes, very optimistic notes, making things easy for you whenever you're studying. And you don't have to worry about not attending sessions. Of course, we highly encourage you to attend sessions. But if you cannot, absolutely fine. Sessions are fully recorded. You can attend them anytime and anywhere. Now, the second thing is the Management Summaries course. Management Summaries course is a very, very important, very recommended by lots and lots of doctors, nearly 100 of doctors who attended the course, and they really recommended it to their peers. Why this course is very important? Because what we normally do is we offer you all of the management plans that you should be aware about. The management plans can be quite tricky. Management part in your SCA is 4.5 marks, which is quite a lot. Many doctors tend to struggle with their management, and hold on, even you are very good at your management plans, but it's not only about that. It is about how to apply it effectively during your consultation. We give that to you. We provide that in a very professional way. The other thing is mock sessions. Now, this is a very good and very, very optimistic thing that we are doing, actually. What we're doing is we are bringing cases to life. We're bringing your course to life. We're bringing your topics into real patients. How are we doing this? Is actually by practicing. If you do struggle to practice, we'll be practicing with you. We are doing around 90 cases. And if you are planning to attend January or February's courses, exams, so yes, you can attend this. Really, really recommended to attend. Why is that? Because we are doing it on a nearly daily basis, and this is actually very important because you gain the knowledge, now you are applying them, and by this, here we go, you get a clear pass. So mock sessions, we're going to do that. We're going to do almost 6 cases or 7 cases almost every day, not every day, but almost every day. So by this, you got the knowledge, you got the practice, and you got the final revision, and congratulations. So if you are interested, please get back in touch with us as soon as possible. Slots are limited, and we're always here to help and support you by all means. Always remember, you will clear pass with UKPASS. Thank you.